Broad beans make a delicious soup packed full of goodness. The recipe uses 2 rashers of bacon for flavour, but it is possible to substitute the bacon for sun-dried tomatoes and follow the same method. Broad beans are full of protein, contain many important vitamins and nutrients, and have no saturated fat or cholesterol. This soup is a good way of using up late season and potentially chewy beans, or use frozen broad beans from a shop. If using homegrown beans, remove them from their pods. Add the beans to boiling water and simmer for about 3 minutes. Remove from the water and set aside. When the broad beans are cold enough to handle, make a small cut in the top of the bean and squeeze out the inner bean. The inner beans are soft and delicate, with no chewy skin. The outer skin is discarded. Hello, I'm Liam, and this is a short introduction to say this is a recipe from the Home Coffee Shop collection. You can see the full ingredients and all my other recipes on my website. See the link below the video. The recipes are ideal for anyone looking to find enjoyable ways to eat more nutritious food, whether for yourself or your family. The other vegetables are very quick to prepare. Our recipe uses 5 garlic cloves that should be skinned and chopped. The same goes for the carrots and the potato. The chopped onion is pre-cooked with the bacon or sun-dried tomatoes. The bacon is trimmed of its fat and cut into small pieces. Choose a large flat-bottom pan, add a little olive oil, the bacon and onion, and fry gently for about 5 minutes. This will sweeten the onion, add flavour to the olive oil and extra taste to the soup. Once the onion and bacon is ready, add the double-shelled broad beans, the carrots and the potato. Pour in 1.2 litres of stock, made with 1 stock cube. Add a little more water if you would like a thinner soup. Give the mixture a good stir and transfer to the hob. The soup needs to be brought to the boil. When boiling, reduce to a low heat and leave to simmer gently for about 20 minutes. After cooking, all the vegetables should be soft to the taste. The final step is to puree the soup using a blender. The soup will have a lovely rich green colour. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. After subscribing, click the bell to ensure you are notified every time a new video is added.